Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a super fun and educational science experiment. We're going to explore the exciting reaction between baking soda and vinegar, which produces carbon dioxide gas. This simple experiment is not only entertaining, but also a great way to learn about chemical reactions. Alright, let's get started by gathering all the materials we need for this experiment. Here's what you'll need: baking soda, vinegar, a small container like a plastic cup, food coloring, which is optional, and a tray or large plate to contain the mess. Now that we have everything we need, let's set up our experiment. First, place the small container on the tray. Next, add a few spoons of baking soda into the container. If you want to make your eruption more vibrant, go ahead and add a few drops of food coloring. Finally, pour vinegar into the container and watch the reaction take place. It's really cool to see the carbon dioxide gas being produced right before your eyes. As the eruption occurs, let's dive into the science behind it. When vinegar reacts with baking soda, it produces carbon dioxide gas. This gas creates bubbling and fizzing, which mimics the appearance of a volcanic eruption. It's a simple yet fascinating chemical reaction. Now that you've seen how it works, we encourage you to try this experiment at home. Just remember, safety first. It's best to do this outside or in a safe space where any mess can be easily cleaned up. Have fun and stay curious.